Hi, I'm Sonia from Vidya Group. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you'll get the benefit of a whole lot of exam relevant videos which we upload. This session is in English medium. If you're not comfortable with the language, you can actually watch the session in Hindi. That's there in the playlist. I'll start the video. Probably I'll not be able to speak that loudly as I'm not, well. I'll start the session from the very first question. I'll actually make you revise all the questions at the end. So watch the video till the end as the questions are very significant from the point of view of your competitive exam. The first question is about Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria appointed. The question says that this person, this fellow has been appointed. He has been appointed Air Chief Marshal. As you can make out now that Air Chief Marshal, as the word air is associated, that means he's actually related with Air Force. So Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria appointed Air Chief Marshal, referring to Air Force. First, trilateral exercise. Tri means we are talking about three. Three means there are three nations here: Singapore, India, and Thailand. M stands for maritime. So Singapore, India, Thailand, maritime exercise. I'm going to tell you the venue. That's basically our question. The venue was Port Blair. The venue was Port Blair, referring to SITMEX exercise. I said trilateral exercise, Singapore, India, and Thailand maritime exercise. So what sort of exercise was that? That was maritime, related to the sea, basically. International Day of Democracy theme also. So first of all, I'm going to let you know the day. The Democracy Day is observed on 15th of September, and the theme was participation. There was just one word, so you'll be able to retain it very easily. I'm saying participation, as democracy conveys the same idea, participation of the people. Only this word is the theme. International Day of Democracy is observed on 15th September, and I said the theme for this year was participation. Chairman of Chiefs of Staff Committee, Bipin Rawat has become the chairman. Bipin Rawat has become the chairman. The next question is World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day is observed on 27th September. 27th September, and you need to know that India was the host country. So even the question becomes more significant now. Host country was India. And if I actually tell you the theme, as the host nation was India, you need to know the theme of this day as well. And if I write down the theme, you need to do that too. I am going to write it. It is that tourism and jobs. Tourism and jobs. A better future for all. A better future for all. That was actually the theme which was actually kept for 27th September, which is considered World Tourism Day. So World Tourism Day is observed on 27th September. First question. The second question is India was the host nation. Third question was what was the theme? The theme was tourism and jobs, a better future for all. National Tourism Awards were actually given on the same day. National Tourism Awards were given on the same day. I feel the question, there's a possibility that question can be asked from this part as well. So write it down that National Tourism Awards for 17-18 were given on the same day, and best state was actually given to Andhra Pradesh. Best state was given to Andhra Pradesh, referring to National Tourism Awards. Best state, Andhra Pradesh. MP and Goa. That means I'm referring to Madhya Pradesh and Goa. They got the award for adventure tourism. Goa and Madhya Pradesh got the award for adventure tourism, and Uttarakhand got the award for. That very same day, the state Uttarakhand was also awarded in the category of Best Film Promotion Friendly State. Best Film Promotion Friendly State. Uttarakhand was also awarded that day. SEBI Committee on Social Stock Exchanges. Now you need to understand, when we are talking about social stock exchange, we are referring to social, organizations which actually work for the welfare of people. Voluntary participation was also, shown by such organizations. So such firms should be listed on stock exchange. What is the way how to actually get them done? How to actually get them registered on stock exchanges, referring to those firms which work for the welfare of the people. So social stock exchanges will be listed as per SEBI, but how? There's a committee for the same. Ishaq Hussain is going to be the chairman of that committee. He's going to head this committee. Ishaq Hussain. The next question is, sister state agreement between Gujarat and New Jersey. New Jersey, that means referring to USA. New Jersey, that means we are talking about USA. I said sister state and not sister city. It is something else. The other question was taught a few days back. Now I'm saying sister state agreement between India, that means Gujarat, and USA, that means New Jersey, because there have to be two states, and we have actually written the names of those states here. Corporate tax for domestic firms not availing tax incentives, that tax has been reduced to 22%, which was earlier 30%. 22%. It has been reduced to 22%, and I said which was earlier 30%. There's one more thing, that 2-3, more things which are associated. I'm going to explain that as well. Explain to you. That is, I'll start with MAT. And what's that and why am I referring to it? See, the question can be, there in the exam. Based on that, you need to understand there's a possibility that firms will get registered on 1st October 2019 or post that date, after that date. Let's say if I am the person, I'm going to actually, bring a new firm, going to start a new firm on 1st October 2019. But that firm I'm referring to the manufacturing firm, domestic manufacturing firm. So domestic manufacturing firm I've started it on 1st October 2019 or maybe after that. Then I get to pay 15% tax and not this. Talking about MAT. What I am going to pay MAT, that is minimum alternate tax. Minimum alternate tax referring to MAT. MAT will be 15% for those firms, those manufacturing firms. Manufacturing firms, new domestic manufacturing companies. So new domestic manufacturing companies, those which are actually going to be registered firms on 1st October 2019 or after that, they'll be paying 15% tax. So this question can be there and the full form of it can be asked too. Dr. Kalam Smriti International Excellence Award was actually given to Sheikh Hasina, who's the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Sheikh Hasina was actually been awarded. Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and I said she was awarded with Dr. Kalam Smriti International Excellence Award. Ayushman Bharat Pakhwada. Pakhwada is basically the word which you cannot understand easily. Pakhwada means fortnight. Pakhwada means fortnight. You need to understand when we are talking about Ayushman Pakhwada. First of all, I need to tell you the background of this. There's a scheme, Ayushman Bharat, that we all know, has completed 1 year. So 23rd September will be celebrated as Ayushman Bharat Divas. So Ayushman Bharat Divas will be celebrated. 23rd September will be celebrated as Ayushman Bharat Divas. Here we are referring to something else, and that is Ayushman Bharat Pakhwada, which is actually 15th from 15th to 30th September. Here I am going to talk about the fortnight, which Pakhwada means. If the government has done something, they are trying to basically emphatically tell you the same thing, and by that sort of recall is there, that they are providing some sort of free services to people. So Ayushman Bharat Divas, 23rd September, and I told you Ayushman Bharat Pakhwada from 15th to 30th September. Brand Ambassador for Worldwide Fund Rhino Protection. Now you need to understand, when we talk about rhinoceros, we are saying that World Rhino Day becomes important for us too. So World Rhino Day is observed on 22nd September. 22nd September is World Rhino Day. That we are referring to that day as India is also working for the protection of rhinos. We are saying that brand ambassador has, a new brand ambassador is Rohit Sharma. Yes, we are referring to the cricketer Rohit Sharma. He has become the brand ambassador for Worldwide Fund Rhino Protection. Export Credit Insurance Scheme by Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. ECGC, which means Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. So by that Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, export credit, referring to the word export here, emphatically telling you the thing again and again. There's a reason out here because I'm going to talk about the name, and that is Nirvik, what they have launched. And when I say Nirvik, then you have to explain it. The full form of it can be asked in the exam. It says that Niryat. Niryat is the Hindi word for export. We are saying Niryat, Rin, referring to debt, loans. So Niryat, Rin, Vikas, Yojana, that is Nirvik. So Nirvik is Niryat, Rin, Vikas, Yojana. That Nirvik is launched by them. Export Credit Insurance Scheme, that scheme is Nirvik, launched by Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. India Water Week was observed from 24th to 28th September. 24th to 28th September. It is not that sort of week that you are thinking of. We are saying 24th to 28th week. 28th September was considered as India Water Week. Second Scorpene class submarine to join the Navy. Something new is going to happen. That second Scorpene class submarine to join the Navy. That submarine, the name of that submarine is INS Khanderi. So INS Khanderi is joining Navy. We are saying that second Scorpene class submarine. Don't forget the name as it is very important for the country as well. Women's National Football Championship winner. Manipur has won that state. Manipur has won that by beating the team Railways. So Railways, actually the team was beaten. Women's National Football Championship winner Manipur. See, I'm not writing Railways over there, but you need to know the team which was defeated, because that is also important. The name of the runner-up remains important for us. So Manipur won that by defeating Railways. International Day of Peace is observed on 21st September. International Day of Peace is observed on 21st September, and if you wish to write down, you can write down the theme, that is Climate Action for Peace. Climate Action for Peace. That theme is important for us too. The first question is Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria appointed Air Chief Marshal. First trilateral exercise, that is Singapore, India and Thailand maritime exercise, and the venue was Port Blair. 15 September when we observed the Democracy Day, International Day of Democracy. Participation was the theme of it. Chairman of Chiefs of Staff Committee Bipin Rawat has become the chairman. World Tourism Day observed on 27 September. The host country was India and the theme was Tourism and Jobs, a better future for all. SEBI Committee on Social Stock Exchanges, Ishat Hussain is going to head that committee, so Ishat Hussain Committee. Sister state agreement between Gujarat and New Jersey, that is USA. Corporate tax for domestic firms not availing tax incentives has become 22%. 15% for those companies, those domestic manufacturing companies which are going to get clogged up on 1st October 2019 or post that. Dr. Kalam Smriti International Excellence Award 2019 was actually given to Sheikh Hasina, and she is the PM of Bangladesh. Ayushman Bharat Pakhwada was observed from 15th to 30th September. Ayushman Bharat Divas will be observed now on 23rd September. Brand Ambassador for Worldwide Fund Rhino Protection Rohit Sharma. Nirvik is the name of the scheme which is actually associated with Export Credit Insurance Scheme, associated with Export Credit. So that ECGC is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. India Water Week is observed from 24th to 28th September. Second Scorpene class submarine to join the Navy, INS Khanderi. Women's National Football Championship winner Manipur. defeated railways. International Day of Peace is observed on 21st September, referring to the UN's day. 21st September is the day, and the theme was climate action for peace. Wrapping up, thank you.